Bitcoin has a problem. It can process about 7 transactions per second. 7. That's not a typo. And while that's fine for a settlement layer, it's not enough for a global financial system. You can't buy coffee, you can't trade derivatives, you can't build DeFi applications. Not on the base layer anyway. So the smartest engineers in the space have been building on top of Bitcoin. Second layers, sidechains, rollups. And right now there are 4 major contenders, each with a completely different philosophy, each with real users, and each betting on a different vision of Bitcoin's future. Start with the obvious one. Lightning Network. It's the oldest, most battle-tested Bitcoin L2. It's been running since 2018, and it does one thing extremely well: payments. Lightning works by opening payment channels between participants. You lock up Bitcoin in a multi-signature contract. Then you can send payments back and forth instantly, with near zero fees, without touching the blockchain. Lightning has limits. It's not a general-purpose computing platform, but it's optimized for one thing: moving value fast and cheap. When you pay for something on Bitcoin, you're probably using Lightning. Let's talk about the second contender, Liquid. This is Blockstream's sidechain, and it takes a completely different approach. Liquid is a federated sidechain. This means it's not trustless. It's run by a federation of about 60 functionaries, exchanges, trading desks, wallet providers. They collectively manage the two-way peg. The trade-off is clear. You give up decentralization for speed and features. Liquid has 1-minute block times, confidential transactions by default, and native asset issuance. This is the chain for institutional finance. Rootstock is the third approach, and it's the most ambitious. Rootstock is a merge-mined sidechain that runs the Ethereum virtual machine. Yes, you heard that right. Ethereum smart contracts on Bitcoin, secured by Bitcoin miners. Rootstock uses a two-way peg similar to Liquid, but instead of a federation, it uses a system called PowPeg. The result is a chain that can run any Ethereum dApp, DeFi protocols, lending markets, DEXs, all secured by Bitcoin's hash rate. The trade-off is you're still trusting the PowPeg signers, but you're getting Ethereum compatibility. Stacks is the fourth approach, and it's the most philosophically different from the others. Stacks doesn't use a peg at all. There's no wrapped Bitcoin, no bridge, no federation. Instead, Stacks has its own consensus mechanism called proof of transfer. Miners spend Bitcoin to mine Stacks blocks, and Stacks blocks settle on Bitcoin using cryptographic proofs. The Stacks smart contract language is clarity, not solidity. It's a decidable language, which means you can know mathematically what a contract will do before you run it. No surprises, no reentrancy attacks. Put these side by side. Lightning is for payments. Fast, cheap, trustless. Liquid is for institutions. Fast blocks, confidential transactions. Rootstock is for Ethereum developers. EVM compatibility, merge mining. Stacks is for formal verification. Clarity language, Bitcoin finality. Here's what nobody's saying out loud. These aren't actually competing. They serve different markets, different use cases, different trust assumptions. The real risk isn't that one will win. The real risk is that none of them will achieve enough adoption to matter. Real competition isn't between these four. It's between Bitcoin's L2 ecosystem and the rest of the crypto world. Can Bitcoin build a financial system on top of the hardest money ever created? Or will Ethereum, Solana, and the others capture the application layer? The L2 race is just getting started. Lightning has the lead in payments. Liquid has the institutional edge. Rootstock has the Ethereum bridge. Stacks has the formal verification story. But the real winner will be the one that gets the most real users. XSats. Build the future.